Holy crap, this rain is absolutely insane. This has got to be almost an inch an hour. This is some hefty rain. Very hefty rain. Oh my gosh, look at the parking lot. Oh, the poor garden is flooding too. Oh, how I'd love to drive in this. Severe thunderstorm watch. Sweet.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 507, effective until noon Eastern Daylight Time, or 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph and Stark, and Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh my word, that thing is so stinking close. Holy crap. That's a severe storm. What are we kidding? Oh my gosh, this is bad. This is gonna be one stormy morning. We're getting this monster. We got another one on the way. Look at this garden. The poor garden. It's getting flooded. But boy, oh boy, do we need this rain. Now, I probably can go outside now that the lightning's calming. I'll just go out in the porch here. Try not to get anything wet. Wow, this is some heavy rain, and I'm loving it. Look at that puddle. It's going insane. And it's still pouring down rain. I thought this thing was moving it. Uh-oh.